So what's your
Sure.
take on career? What do you mean by career?
See, career is like you choosing something which will really make you happy.
Right.
Because most of us, yeah, like most of us, we get into the education with the surroundings, like basis on the environment we have, we listen to them, and we choose a career. And like once we are into the career, once we are doing that education, we are not very happy. So for me, now it has been like after hearing Gary Vee, after that transformation of me by listening Gary Vee, I feel that you need to choose a career which will make you happy, which will keep you happy. So
Right.
that's the all game about, because even me, when I was doing my engineering, I picked engineering just because of the environment which I had. I started I started that journey, and after doing my engineering, no regrets. But yeah, after doing my engineering, I left out with nothing. Like, what should I do next? Is my engineering
Right.
is the only career which I have? Like, after doing engineering, should I go to the job which will help me basis that degree? That didn't happen for me. So slowly
Right.
things change, and now I am into e-commerce. So you need to choose a career which will really make you happy. And how you will find this is you need to get a mentor first. Hi, hello everyone. Thanks for joining.
Well,
Stay till the end. Yeah. So you need to choose a mentor first. You need to have that right guidance for yourself, because if you get that proper guidance, post that, you will eliminate all the mistakes which you have,
right.
and you can get onto the right path for whatever career you are choosing. So that's the all game about.
So everyone wants to set career, but it is like we are so much confused that what career we should go in. So we are trying each and everything and then
Right.
doing nothing and getting nothing at the end. So I would like to ask you how to set a career.
See, setting career depends upon the person. You, as I told that there are many opportunities available. So if you need to set a career, LinkedIn is the place for us. You need to explore
Right,
LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the better platform. It's a professional site where you can explore yourself. You want to set career for you, go to LinkedIn, start setting the connection to your profile, like the profile which matches your career. Start setting the connections to them. Start asking them the right opportunity. Post that, you will surely get the right career for yourself. Because LinkedIn, apart from LinkedIn, I don't find any place where you can have this professional career for yourself. And career being really very
right,
important, LinkedIn is the place for us. So to get the right and proper career, if you want to set a right career for you, LinkedIn is the place for us. And you need to explore LinkedIn. You need to get more connections. You need to follow more people on LinkedIn. As you use
right,
Facebook, I would request that everyone should start using the LinkedIn the same way. It like, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, whatever it is, but above that you need to use LinkedIn. You need to explore LinkedIn. All the age group from 20 to, once you are out of your education, till your 30s, till your 40s, you need to explore LinkedIn. And LinkedIn
right,
is like better place, is what I felt, to get the right career. Because here you will find people from all the places. Here you will find the people from different careers, and you can select anyone which you really want to do, which you really want to happen. So that's all about.